the dawn of a new era. Inside the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP. The landscape of aerial warfare is on the cusp of a revolutionary transformation, driven by the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP. Launched in December 2022, this ambitious trilateral initiative brings together the United Kingdom, Italy and Japan to develop a cutting-edge, sixth-generation combat air system. GCAP represents a pivotal shift in international defense cooperation, aiming to deliver unparalleled air superiority and strategic independence for its member nations in the highly contested airspace of the mid-21st century. 1. Overview of the GCAP initiative and its objectives. GCAP emerged from the strategic convergence of the UK and Italy's Tempest program with Japan's FX fighter jet development. This integration was formalized through the signing of the international treaty, marking a significant commitment to joint development. Primary objective of GCAP extends far beyond merely creating a new fighter jet. It aims to engineer a holistic combat air system. This system of systems approach will encompass a manned stealth fighter at its core, complemented by a network of unmanned platforms, loyal wingmen combat drones, advanced sensors, secure data links, and AI-driven decision support systems. The program's core goals are multifaceted to deliver a highly survivable, adaptable, and globally deployable combat air capability, to maintain sovereign control over critical defense technologies, and to strengthen the industrial basis of the participating nations. By pooling resources, expertise, and technological know-how, GCAP seeks to distribute the immense financial and technical burden associated with developing such advanced capabilities, while simultaneously fostering deeper interoperability among the three air forces. 2. Development, timeline, and expected deployment. The GCAP timeline is ambitious yet critical given the rapidly evolving global threat environment. The program targets initial operational capability, IOC, for the new combat air system from the mid-2030s onwards. This involves a multi-stage development process. Design and definition phase, currently underway, focusing on refining requirements, system architecture, and detailed design concepts. This includes extensive digital modeling and simulation, prototyping, and demonstrator aircraft. Expected to commence in the late 2020s, involving the construction and flight testing of demonstrator aircraft and key technological components. Full-scale development and production, leading into the early 2030s, culminating in the production and integration of the complete combat air system. This schedule underscores the urgency perceived by the partner nations to field a platform that can decisively counter anticipated future threats. 3 aircraft. It is intended to replace Eurofighter Typhoon, United Kingdom and Italy, a highly capable 4.5 generation multi-role fighter. The Typhoon has been the backbone of air defense for both countries. While continuously upgraded, its design fundamentally predates the requirements for true 6th generation capabilities, particularly in areas like deep stealth, advanced sensor fusion, and seamless manned-unmanned teaming. Mitsubishi F2, Japan. Derived from the F-16, the F2 serves as Japan's primary multi-role fighter, particularly in anti-ship roles. Its capabilities, while enhanced over the years, are becoming increasingly insufficient against rapidly advancing regional air threats, necessitating a successor that can ensure Japan's air dominance. The new GCAP system is envisioned as a generational leap, offering capabilities that are not merely incremental improvements, but fundamentally different in their scope and effectiveness compared to these predecessors. 4. Analysis of significant cost increases. Developing a state-of-the-art combat air system inevitably entails substantial financial investment. While specific, definitive cost overruns in the early stages of GCAP are not widely public, the history of complex defense programs suggests that initial estimates often face upward revisions. Reports from defense analysts and parliamentary committees often highlight the inherent challenges. Complexity of sixth-generation technology, integrating unprecedented levels of stealth, artificial intelligence, data fusion, and advanced propulsion systems is inherently costly. Research and development in these nascent areas require significant investment without guaranteed immediate success. Inflation and supply chain volatility, global economic pressures, including inflation and disruptions to critical supply chains, can significantly impact material and labor costs over the multi-decade lifespan of a program. Integration challenges, merging the distinct technological approaches and industrial cultures of three nations, each with its own legacy systems and national priorities, adds layers of complexity and potential for cost escalation. R&D intensity, unlike incremental upgrades, a sixth-generation program necessitates fundamental research and breakthroughs, which are financially demanding. The implications of potential cost increases include heightened scrutiny from national parliaments, pressure on defense budgets, and the need to continually justify the program's value against competing national priorities. Effective program management, stringent cost controls, and the benefits of shared development are crucial to mitigate these risks. 5. Technical specifications and innovative features. Deep stealth and low observability, enhanced stealth characteristics across multiple spectrums, radar, infrared, acoustic, will be paramount, enabling operations in highly contested environments. Advanced sensor fusion and AI. The core manned aircraft will feature a sophisticated suite of integrated sensors capable of collecting, fusing, and analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, leveraging artificial intelligence for rapid decision-making and enhanced situational awareness. Manned-unmanned teaming, MUMT, a foundational capability, the GCAP fighter will act as a command node, coordinating swarms of autonomous loyal wingmen or uncrewed combat aircraft, extending its sensor and weapons reach while minimizing risk to the manned platform. Adaptive engines, next-generation propulsion systems capable of optimizing performance for various flight regimes, offering greater fuel efficiency, range, and thrust. Open system architecture. A modular and upgradable design will allow for easier integration of future technologies, preventing obsolescence and reducing long-term upgrade costs. This also facilitates broader international collaboration. Directed energy weapons potential. While still in advanced R&D, the platform is likely to be designed with provisions for future integration of directed energy weapons for defense or potentially of offense. Network-centric warfare. Seamless, secure data sharing and interoperability with allied forces, ground systems and naval assets will be critical for distributed lethality and command and control. Advanced Human-Machine Interface, HMI. Intuitive and highly adaptive cockpit interfaces, potentially leveraging augmented reality to reduce pilot workload and maximize cognitive advantage. Geopolitical and strategic implications. Strengthened alliances and interoperability. The trilateral cooperation deepens defense ties between the UK, Italy, and Japan, fostering greater interoperability and collective security in regions from the Euro-Atlantic to the Indo-Pacific. This creates a powerful defense bloc capable of projecting influence, counterbalancing rising powers. The development of a credible sixth-generation capability provides a crucial counterweight to the military modernization efforts of potential adversaries, particularly China and Russia, ensuring that the participating nations retain a technological edge in air combat. Sovereign capability and industrial preservation. For the UK, Italy, and Japan, GCAP ensures continued access to critical aerospace technologies and preserves high-skill manufacturing jobs, reducing reliance on external partners for core defense capabilities. Future export potential. A successful GCAP system would be highly attractive on the global export market, offering an advanced alternative to systems developed by other major defense powers and further strengthening the industrial base of the partner nations. Competition and collaboration in the sixth-generation race. GCAP positions its members as key players in the global race for sixth-generation air dominance alongside programs like the US Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD and the Franco-German-Spanish Future Combat Air System FCAS. It highlights a growing trend of multinational cooperation in high-stakes defense projects. Conclusion: the Global Combat Air Program is more than just an aerospace project. It is a strategic endeavor that reflects a shared commitment to innovation, collective security, and maintaining a decisive edge in future conflicts. By bringing together the industrial might and technological prowess of the United Kingdom, Italy, and Japan, GCAP is poised to redefine air combat for the mid-21st century and beyond, ensuring that these nations remain at the forefront of defense capabilities in an increasingly complex world.